How to create a new ads account from Facebook Business Manager. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create a new Facebook ads account using Facebook Business Manager on a laptop or a computer. So first of all, what you're going to do is simply log into your Facebook account, and then you're going to click on the search bar, and here you're going to type down www.facebook.com/ and type in business. And after that, press enter. Now, once you do so, you will be redirected to the Facebook business website. So what you're going to do is simply click on Start Now over here. And once you do so, you'll be taken to the ads manager of your Facebook account. So over here, what you're going to do is simply click on I accept, and here it would say that you need to create a business portfolio first. So what you're going to do is simply create a business portfolio. So you'd have the choices to manage multiple businesses in one place, or have a team with multiple people, use more than one meta pixel, and a catalog for online sales or advanced tools such as shops. So you're going to click on create business portfolio, and once you do so, you'll be taken to this page where you're going to create your business portfolio. So here you're going to type down your business name. For example, I'm going to write such as Emma's Shop. So this is just for demonstration purpose. And here you're going to type down your full name and then your business email address. So I'm going to type down my business email address and then click on submit. So simply click on submit and you will be redirected to another page, and your business portfolio in Business Manager would be created. And once your business portfolio has been created, you'd be able to see that this has been created, and then you're going to click on done. But before that, you're going to click the link sent to this email to receive full access to this account. So simply click on done. And here in my mail account, I have received this email that says, please click the link below to confirm that your email address should be updated. So I'm going to click on confirm now. And after that, the business profile would be created and it has been accepted. And then you will be redirected to your profile that will look something like this. So once your business portfolio has been created, you'll be able to see all of your business portfolios listed over here. Obviously, if you have multiple of them. So what you're going to do is simply add any account over here. Now, for example, if you wish to add an Instagram account, you can simply click on it and then click on add. And after that, you can add your business Instagram account to this one over here. Click on I agree and click on claim Instagram account. And similarly to Instagram account, you can also add your WhatsApp account over here. And then what you're going to do is click on add account, obviously, if you wish to create an ad account. So what you're going to do is simply click on add account. And here you can see that I have no ad accounts added right now. So what you're going to do is simply click on add, and you'll be able to see three options. One would be create a new ad account if you don't have any ad account right now. Other is add an existing ad account. Obviously, if you have an existing ad account and you just want to link it to over here, and then you have request access to an ad account in another business portfolio. Now, if you have multiple business portfolios and the others one have the ad accounts, so you can request access to that specific ad account. So I'm going to click on create a new ad account over here, and here you're going to type down your ad account name. So I'm going to type down something like this over here again, and here you're going to select the time zone, and then you're going to select the currency. After selecting currency, you're going to click on next, and then you're going to select that this ad account will be used for what? My business or another business or client. So I'm going to click on my business and then click on next. And here you're going to click on this that says I agree to meta terms of service, and then simply click on create an ad account. And after that, you'll be able to see ad account created successfully. And would you like to add payment info for your account? So you can head over and add payment info and proceed with other changes with your ad account. So simply click on done, and you can see that my Facebook ad account has successfully been created. So that is basically how you can create a new ads account from Facebook Business Manager page. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.